Wow! Today, ladies and gentlemen, let's make sizzling beef stir fry. It is fragrant, it is sizzling, it is popping, it is dramatic, savory, fragrant. Did I say fragrant already? I mean, it's absolutely a bomb. Let's go. All right, so first of all, for this beef sizzling stir fry, or sizzling beef stir fry, however you want to say it, we first got to prep the beef. About 250 grams of Australian flank steak. You can see that the grains are moving this way. Portion out. We will cut against the grain. You want to get them, of course, to all sort of nice even thickness so that they cook evenly. Get that in a bowl. Now to this, I'm adding in about a tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of oyster sauce, teaspoon of sesame oil, white pepper, a tablespoon of kombucha. Now this is to replace the Chinese rice wine, and about a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, get your hands in and give this a good mix around. Okay, set this aside, at least give it 10-15 minutes. While we're waiting for the meat to marinate, we're going to work on the sauce. So basically almost the same ingredients. Tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, white pepper, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of kombucha, pinch of salt, and just a splash of water. A little bit of dark caramel, and last but not least, a teaspoon of Chinese black vinegar. Let me recap. We've got soy sauce, oyster sauce, kombucha, sesame oil, white pepper, dark caramel, and Chinese black vinegar. Make sure you taste everything at this point so you get all that flavor from the seasoning, and that's good. As for the aromatics, I'm starting with some ginger, about 45 grams of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, mince, spring onion. Okay, so I've got my hot plate here that's heating up, and I've got my wok here that's just turned into smoking point. Oil in, swirl your wok, make sure it's coated with the oil. Now we're going in with the beef. Spread it out and just let it sit for a minute. Allow it to get that color. Now, beef comes up. Okay, you don't want to overcook your beef. You want it still nice and sort of pink. All right, get your wok nice and hot. Oil in, ginger. Get the ginger nice and fragrant. The white parts of the spring onion goes in. Garlic. Now, the beef goes back in. Get that sauce in. The greens of the spring onion in. Do a good toss. Turn off the heat. And now this baby goes straight onto the hot plate. Wow! Get some of that beef. Look at that. The beef, the ginger, the spring onion, all in one bite. And the flavor is absolutely stunning. The beef in itself is full of that flavor because we've marinated it for a good 10-15 minutes. Although we didn't put any sugar in here, but oyster sauce, soy sauce, kombucha, they all contain sugar. Look at how this sauce has just thickened up. It's easy to make and yet super dramatic. If you want to serve your friends and you want something simple yet will cause them to go, wow, grab their phones out, you know, everybody's recording some video for story on Instagram. This is a dish to make. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Ciao. You get that beef.